Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can use the sound equalizer of your JBL Tune Flex. First of all, you have to select your earbuds on the JBL headphones application, and next you have to scroll down and click on the equalizer. Next, you have to turn it on by tapping on the right upper corner. Right now we can find 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 default presets. You can also create your own preset by tapping on the plus. To save, click on this button. If you want to remove any of the created presets, you have to go for it and then click on this trash icon. Then confirm to remove. You can also rename your preset by tapping on the name in the left upper corner. Click switcher, click save, and as you can see, that's how it looks. So that's all for this video. Hope you like it.